Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're cooking some chicken drumsticks on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Okay, so we've done a few other, a couple of other recipes so far. We've done the brisket and the pork belly strips. This video is concentrating on the drumsticks, chicken drumsticks. So I've gone for chicken drumsticks. We like them, kids like them as well. If you cook them properly and cook them nice, obviously. Really cheap as well. So you get 10, 11 in this pack for £2.50 from Tesco. So super cheap, plenty of meat, really good. These will be super simple. I'll give them a rub. We'll put them onto the grill for about 20-25 minutes. Give them a brush down with some sauce mid-cook, and then finish them off with that sauce just to give crisp them up with the barbecue sauce on. So we'll step through what I'm going to do, and I'll show the preparation for them as well. So we've got the peri-peri rub. This is super simple, this one. All we're going to do, we're going to take these out of here, I'm going to pat them down, dry them off the little bit of moisture that's on the outside of them, put this rub in, and then we'll put them in a little container ready to cook later, just to let this kind of absorb a little bit into the skins. Because obviously the chicken drumsticks got skin on them. We'll keep them in the fridge till later on, till ready to cook. So a bit of a mini marinade, and I will put a binder on there with a little bit of oil just so it binds a little bit better. Okay, so we've got a helper now. Say hello, Matilda.
Hello.
So Matilda's going to help me do the chicken drumsticks. So,
I love chicken drumsticks.
Like chicken drumsticks, you do, don't you?
I just don't eat the bone.
No, well, no one eats the bone. You don't eat the bone, do you?
It takes the skin off.
Yeah. So all we're going to do, we're literally going to put this rub onto the chicken drumsticks, but first we're going to take them out and we're going to pat them down. So we need to be careful with chicken, Matilda, because it's because of salmonella. Yeah. So when we touch raw chicken, you've got to be careful. It's like if you touch raw chicken and lick your fingers, you might end up poorly. So we've got to make sure we always wash our hands after we touch raw chicken. Yeah.
So if I get itchy and
You can't touch yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go wash my hands.
Yeah. So we've got a plate there. We'll get some kitchen roll.
Kitchen roll, yeah. I use that to hold my chicken roll.
So we've got some kitchen roll, and we'll just use the kitchen roll just to pat dry the chicken drumsticks. So we'll pop that on there. Keep a couple there. Right, so Matilda. So we're going to open the chicken drumsticks.
If you're weird touching them.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop them onto here. Watch it. I'm going to pop them onto here. Right, and then we're going to put, I'll go wash my hands, and then we'll pat them dry, okay? Okay, so that's them patted dry now. I'm going to go wash my hands, and I'm going to put a little bit of oil on them, and then put the peri-peri mixture on. Okay, so we've got our chicken drumsticks in the bowl. I'm going to put a little bit of rapeseed oil. This is rapeseed oil over there. I'm going to give them a bit of a wiggle around my hands, and Matilda's going to pour the mixture in, and I'm going to mix it in. All of that in there. So you're going to pour it in there, and I'm going to mix it round so you don't have to touch it. Yeah. Okay, so we've got oil in first. Not a lot. We won't need a lot of oil. Just give it maybe a tablespoon, just over a tablespoon. So Matilda.
Quickly in one place, all over it.
Just give it a sprinkle. Just, oh, yep. Just, oh, that look.
Ah, alright.
Yeah. I don't need all of it. That'll do for now. That'll do. Okay.
Yummy.
So I'm going to put my hands in now and give it a mix around with that little bit of oil and then that peri-peri rub on. Okay, we're back inside. It's actually the day after, the morning after the night before when we cooked the food. So the chicken drumsticks came out really, really well. Really nice. I was a bit worried. I'm always kind of worried with chicken, whether it's cooked, etc. But from the air fryer, using the air fryer, because you know what temperature you're cooking at, you know it's consistent, and you know of the fan, using that fan feature on them, you know that they're getting cooked at that temperature really well. And it was the same for the grill. It literally took, I think in total I got left 35 minutes for the chicken drumsticks for all 8 or 9 of them. The last 5 minutes or so we put some barbecue sauce over the top of them just to finish them off, crisp them up a little bit with some barbecue sauce on. But they were perfectly cooked, just using the temperature probe along just to make sure they were cooked, but really, really nice. So obviously we cooked the chicken drumsticks on this grill plate. You may notice on the video I was cooking other stuff at the same time, but I've separated them out just to show the different cooks. But you can see this has been on one wash in the dishwasher, just a normal wash. It was a few hours after we'd been cooking that we put it in as well. So the stuff was really stuck on there. There was some brisket, pork belly and the chicken drumsticks that had been on there. But one wash, it cleaned off really well, really impressed with that. Kind of similar to the other Ninja products that you get. And that's a drip tray as well. So I'm collecting fat underneath, and that had a good layer of fat on which I scooped off, but then it washed the rest off really well. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, hopefully it's been informative. If you're looking just generally at the Ninja Woodfire Grill, or looking at chicken drumsticks on the Woodfire Grill. So if it has been informative, if you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a dislike, and let me know in the comments why you didn't like the video. If you've got any questions, comments, anything at all about the grill, about the chicken drumsticks, other food that I might have cooked, drop it in the comment section and we'll get back to all questions and comments. If you want to follow this journey along on the Woodfire Grill, we will be cooking tons more stuff and other DIY projects on the channel, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.